started having severe knee pain about 5 years ago and was seeing a rheumatologist. So it was injections, medications, physical therapy. It just wasn't enough. I couldn't even walk straight. I couldn't go to the grocery store. My knee pain was so bad I couldn't go up and down the stairs without assistance. My young children were helping me with laundry, and it was very, very painful. I tried the injections, physical therapy, medications for about 4 years, and then decided there was no more I could do, and that's when I sought out Spectrum. I actually chose Spectrum on my own. It's not who I was referred to originally. I called and was referred to Dr. Marshall. Dr. Marshall was wonderful to deal with right out of the gate. He ordered the MRIs and x-rays to ascertain what my problem was, and within that first visit we had a plan of attack. I needed double knee replacement surgery, and though it was an intimidating thing, it was really what I needed to hear because I could no longer live the way I was. Dr. Marshall is very knowledgeable of the procedure, so he was very educational about the process, but yet very comfortable and personable to ease any tensions or any fears that I had. He made it very easy for me to proceed with the surgery. And before I knew it, I was waking up and walking down the hallway. I was very surprised. Even though I was prepared, I was still surprised. I've got people that are inspired by what I've been through because they knew what I was like before, and they see how much better I am now, and they want to have the same quality of their life.